How to fix no sound on iPhone screen recording problem. Swipe down from the top right of your screen and hold on the recording button. Once you hold on the recording button, you will see microphone option. Click on it. If it is red, that means your microphone is on. If it is grayed out, that means your microphone is off. Click on it and make it red and your microphone will be on, and the next time you screen record, your screen's volume and your sound will also be recorded. The next thing is switch off your iPhone and turn it on again. Sometimes simply doing that also fixes our issue. If it's still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is open up your settings, click on the option general over here, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset. Click on the option reset at the bottom. Click on the option reset all settings and your problem should be fixed. That's how we guys can fix no sound on iPhone screen recording. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.